Hi, welcome to Corporate Capital Shorts, the show designed to give business owners a competitive advantage. I'm your host, Brent Carlson. Today, I have Bob Brome, who's our CPA at Corporate Capital. Bob is a certified public accountant who has been his own business owner. He's worked in the area of taxes for over 30 years now. Today, I've asked Bob to join me to go over some of the challenges that Americans face when filing their tax returns. So, Bob, if you could share with me, I appreciate that.
Sure. You know, over the last 30 plus years, thanks for saying only 30, I've seen lots and lots of issues with people with filing their returns. But most recently, as we work our way out of the last recession, I find that we have many, many taxpayers who haven't, for a number of years, filed at all, primarily because back when they were coming out of the recession or just going into the recession, they owed tax liability with their return but didn't have the money to pay.
Sure.
Their solution was simply don't file, which is the wrong solution. But once you do that, it seems to snowball, and we've seen multiple people with multiple years of unfiled tax returns. Our recommendation is clearly you must file your tax return. You must file it timely, even if you can't pay the liability. There are two reasons for that. One is the statute of limitations on the filing of the return doesn't start running until the return is filed. The other is the penalty for failure to file a tax return when you owe taxes is the largest penalty we can pay on a tax return. It's 5% a month for up to 25% of the liability.
Wow.
So we absolutely recommend, even if you can't pay, file the return timely, and we can help you with that.
Yeah. How many years can they go back? Or do we recommend go back and filing a tax return?
Well, as I said, with the Internal Revenue Service, the statute of limitations doesn't run on an unfiled tax return.
Okay.
Therefore, they can technically go back as far as they want. As a practical matter, they typically don't. They want to see taxpayers get into compliance, and they will accept the 5 or 6 year filing to get people back in the system.
Well, thank you very much. Well, what I'd like to do for those who have not filed their taxes and want that peace of mind, I know it's something that you want to do. Give us a call. Reach out to Corporate Capital, and we will put you in the right direction and answer those questions to get back into the system and make sure you file your taxes each year. For those of you who have filed your taxes, especially your 2014 returns, Corporate Capital would like to offer a challenge. We challenge you to send those into our office. Allow my tax team and my CPA to evaluate what you paid last year and see if there was money that you overpaid, and we can possibly get you a refund. I will also, for anyone who sends in their tax returns, pull their credit report with Dun & Bradstreet, which costs business owners $180 to pull this report to know exactly what your situation looks like, what your credit score looks like, if you're in a position to qualify for a loan to grow your business. And I would like to offer that for anyone who sends in their 2014 tax returns. We look forward to hearing from you.